In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your Obsidian notes across devices using Google Drive. There are actually several ways to connect your Vault, but in this tutorial, I'll focus only on the Google Drive method since it's simple and works on most devices. I'll walk you through the full setup step by step. First, make sure you have both the Obsidian app and Google Drive installed on your device. Now, open the Obsidian app. On the welcome screen, to the right of Create New Vault, click Create, then enter your vault name. Next, click Browse, scroll down, and select Google Drive. After that, click My Drive. Here, create a new folder so your vault is easy to find later. Right-click, hover over New, then click Folder. Rename it to something like Obsidian Vault. Once done, select that folder and click Select Folder, then click Create. You'll now be redirected to the Obsidian homepage with your new synced vault. Let's test if syncing works. Click the new note icon, then type a title like Test 1. Create another note and name it Test 2. Now I'll close the Obsidian app and open my files. Then go to Google Drive, open my drive, and click the folder we created earlier. Inside, you'll see the Vault folder, and the notes we created are already synced there. Take note, Google Drive is not the only way to sync Obsidian across devices. You can also use other cloud services like iCloud, Dropbox, or OneDrive for free. The process is basically the same. Just store your Vault inside your preferred cloud folder and repeat the setup on your other devices to keep everything in sync. And that's it. That's how you sync Obsidian notes across devices. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.